Today we're going to learn how to calculate the distance. It comes in paper 2. The distance along a longitude. Okay, so since I'm teaching you how to write exams, I'm just going direct the main things. There's what you call nautical miles and kilometers. So there's what you call nautical miles, nautical. Okay, let me not talk about nautical miles. Let me go direct the calculations so that you understand how to do it, because you're going to write the exam. So I'm teaching you the secret of how to just write. So for example, if they give you the Earth, it's like this, huh? This is the Earth, and then they give you a longitude like this, another longitude like this, okay, and then they give you a latitude like that, okay, another latitude here, and then I'm going to put 2 points here, this one and this one. So okay, and then I name this one as A, I name this one as B. Okay, so this one I'll say 20 north. I can say this is 30 south. Okay, B. Okay, and then this longitude, this longitude is, I'll say, I'll name it 40 east. 40 east. Okay. Yeah, 40 east. And then the question says, calculate the distance AB, calculate the distance A to B, okay, along the longitude, which longitude are they lying? Along the longitude 40 degrees, 40 east longitude. So the first thing you do is you come to your diagram. We are calculating the distance along which longitude? This longitude, eh? This is the distance. So what distance are we looking at? This is the distance we're looking at, eh? Let me use another color so that you understand. This is the distance we're looking at from A to B. Have you seen? This is the distance I'm looking at. And then it's along this 40 degree east longitude, eh? A to B. But what are the latitudes that are at A? And what are the latitudes that are at B? Which angles do I need? Which angles do I need to use? I need to use what angle is at A? I mean what? Yes. What degrees is at A? The latitude at A is 20. You see, the latitude at B here is 30. You see? So it means if I'm finding along AB, it means I'm going to look at A, what latitude is it lying? 20. B, what latitude is it lying? 30. And then we use that principle of teaching you. SSDA, you find the angle. So I write my formula there. SSDA. So my formula, I think you remember the formula. You remember it, SSDA. So I think by this time everyone knows how to go about the whole thing. So we'll go to SS DA. Okay, SSDA. You remember this formula? I think we have done this. So SSDA, and then what are the latitudes that we're using? A is what? What are the coordinates? Look at the coordinates. A is so we are finding the difference in what? In latitudes, eh? How do you know it's a difference in latitudes? Look at A. A is lying on 20. B is lying on 30. So what signs do they have? What signs do they have? One is N, one is S. These are different signs. Have you seen? So different signs, you what? You subtract. Different signs you subtract. So it means we'll subtract 20. Different signs you add, sorry. You see, different signs you add, eh? So different signs you add, so we're going to add what? 20 plus 30. So 20 plus 30, that's the angle we're looking for. The angle we're looking for, it is 20 plus 30. This is a difference in latitude, which is going to give me 50. Okay? That's how you calculate theta. And then the formula I'm going to use, the distance AB, the formula is equal to theta divided by 360 times 2 pi r. So they can say calculate the distance from A to B along the longitude in nautical miles. They say nautical miles. Okay, for example, if I said nautical miles, meaning the R is going to be different. Okay, so when you come back to our original question, what is theta? Theta is what we calculated is 50. Can you see 50 here? Theta here. Theta is what? It's 50. It's here. Theta is 50. So on theta we put 50. So come on 50 theta there we put 50 over 360 times 2 times pi. You already know is 3.142. 3.142 times the radius. Since it was nautical miles, the radius is always fixed. It is 34, 37. So it means 50 times 2 times 3.142 times 34, 37. This radius is always fixed for nautical miles. Always use this one. And then punch this on a calculator. What you get here is a distance that you're looking for, AB. That's how you solve this. It's as simple as that.